all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player, all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, it's even getting high. Hey. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, it's even getting high. Live life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Live life of a boss player, it's even getting high. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the fumble, I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell, that's where them cowards going. Well, all your seal down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later, the future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things, I 500, Benz wanting flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream, been known to disappear before your eyes like a dope fiend. It seems my main thing